As fiber counts go up, the stakes around cleanliness go up with them. MPO connectors carry 16 fibers across a single interface, which means a speck of dust in the wrong spot can wipe out an entire high-speed link in one shot. The FCCS-160 from Jonard Tools is how you make sure that doesn't happen. Hey, this one's for techs and installers who are spending their days inside hyperscale data centers, high-density backbone infrastructure, or enterprise networks that are pushing serious bandwidth. If MPO 16 connectors are part of your world, keep watching. This is a tool you'll want to know about. First thing to know about, compatibility. The FCCS-160 handles MPO and MTP 16 and 32 connectors, including 2 rows of 16. It works on UPC and APC polish types, pinned and unpinned. If you're working with next generation high core count fiber, this cleaner was specifically designed for exactly that. Second, cleaning is a single push. That's it. The ESD safe microfiber cloth sweeps contamination off the end face cleanly and consistently every time, with no extra steps and no guesswork. You've got 600 plus cycles before you need a new unit, and it's certified to the IEC 61300-3-35, the standard that actually matters in mission-critical fiber environments. Third, the slim profile isn't just nice to have, it's the reason this tool exists. Recessed adapters in cassette modules, dense patch panels, these are the spots where a standard cleaner bottoms out before it even reaches the connector. The FCCS-160 gets in there, that's the job. And fourth, a few details that show some real thought went into this. The adapter cap flips open and stays tethered to the tool, so switching between plug and port cleaning is quick and you're not hunting for a cap mid-job. The clear housing gives you a live view of how much cleaning tape is left. And the color-coded label keeps connector identification simple when you're moving fast. Look, in high core count fiber environments, end face cleanliness isn't something you can cut corners on. The FCCS-160 makes it quick, consistent, and something you don't have to think twice about. It fits where other cleaners won't. It's built to last, and it's rated for the environments that demand it. Solid tool. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you want to see more, and we'll catch you on the next one.